security of your home is a big concern for everybody. Meta Security Sensors enables you to convert your tablet or smartphone to a security system. Meta door sensors or motion sensors and other security sensors enables the customer to completely secure their home by arming from your mobile makes it easier for security sensors and generate security alert. Just like any full-fledged security system, it can switch on a high-decibel hooter and warn multiple mobile You can transform multiple phones, or tablets, or Meta Gateway as a security system. This gives you high redundancy at a low price point.